Hello my creative friends, Olga from Smart Art Materials here, and today I'm going to show you a blown flowers acrylic pouring technique. But at this time it's going to be completely different from the rest of my floral videos. Plus I'm going to show you an easy and fun technique on how to create flower leaves. To find out exact colors that I'm using as well as a recipe of how I mix my paint with Floetrol, check out the description under the video. Alright, let's blow some flowers! First of all, I'm layering a base white color for negative space. And I like to add a little more water to the base color to make it more fluid, but don't make it too runny. And I also make sure to cover the sides so I don't need to worry about it later. Now the flowers. So first create a small puddle of paint with 3-4 colors. And then shape in the future petals. And I find that this little step makes a huge difference. It helps to make those flower petals a lot more defined and the result looks just great. So you can use a painting knife or the handle of the brush or just anything with pointed tip. And now just blow in the paint. Don't blow too hard. Work rather slowly and gently, and always try to blow away from yourself. It gives a lot more control, so rotate the canvas as many times as needed. As you can see, I'm using a metal straw instead of the plastic one, and I'm trying to cut down the plastic waste in my art practice and in my life. And if you want to find out how to minimize the waste involved in acrylic pouring, check out this article on my website. Now I'm going to add leaves to my flowers. So first, just create the shape of the leaf with a central line. And again, you would need something with a pointed tip. So just doing a few strokes from the sides to the center, and then one more stroke through the center to make those lines smoother. And that's all it is. Alright guys, that's everything for today. If you give this technique a try, please share your results in Smart Art Materials Facebook group. I would love to see your flowers. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of my acrylic pouring tutorials. Have fun pouring and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.